Hey guys, what's going on again? This is going to be the final video. This is going to be the one covering the Venn diagrams, the stuff we learned on class on Thursday. This is probably going to be the longest one because that's when we did the most work. I'm just going to be going over how to fill out the Venn diagrams and solve the problems that come along with them. And again, I'm going to kind of, pause every bit and kind of scan the page after a few problems so that you can see, maybe pause the video, go over and how to work them out. So let's go ahead and dive into it. So the first thing we have to do when we're dealing with a Venn diagram problem is we have to fill in this Venn diagram. We got to make sure every number goes in the right spot for A, for B, for both, and for the universal set. So what really kind of helped me when working with this is first when we fill in the Venn diagram, we're going to cover up that universal set. We're not going to focus on it right now because we're just focusing on both sets A and B. We're filling out the circle part. We'll worry about the rectangle later. So let's go ahead and analyze. We're going to first fill in circle A. What's unique to circle A? What's the number that set A has that set B doesn't have? Well, I really only kind of see one. Literally the number 1. So that is going to be in circle A, 1. We've taken care of him. Let's cross him off because he's the number that is unique to set A. Let's go ahead and look at what both have. We'll fill in this middle section right here. Well, I see sets A and B share 3. They also share 5. So we'll go ahead and fill that middle section in, 3 and 5. And then, so we've taken care of those guys. We can cross them off. 3 and 5. Now what's left? Well, we have to put that as unique to set B. 4 and 6. They're the only ones left. Comma 6. Now we have filled in our Venn diagram. So now we can uncover the universal set and take a look at it. Let's go ahead and cross off what we've already worked with so we're not confused. We put 1 in. We haven't put 2 anywhere in this circle. So 2 is going to go right up here. We deal with them. 2, so we can put an X over 2. 3, we did deal with 3. We put them in the middle circle there. 4 went to circle B. 5 went in the middle as well. 6 went in circle B. We can cross him off. 7, we did not work with 7 at all. So 7 is what's left over to go right there in the top. So now we've dealt with every number. We have every number where it's supposed to go, both in the Venn diagram and in the universal set. Now, when answering the questions, when you're using a Venn diagram, you're going to want to ignore how we've been working, lately. When in the Venn diagram, you answer the questions a different way. It's a little different, but I'll go ahead and go over how to answer the question. So the first question is a complement. We have, a complement, yes. So what is a complement asking? We come up here to our sheet. We can see that a complement, what is in the universal set that is not in the given set? Well, we're dealing with the Venn diagram here, so we're not going to answer with the way that we answered in the last 2 videos. We're going to say, what is outside of circle A? When dealing with a Venn diagram, that's how you're going to answer that question right there. What is outside of circle A? Let's go ahead and cover up circle A. So we're going to cover up the 1 because that's in circle A. But don't forget, this middle part is also part of circle A. So we're going to cover that up as well. And we see that we are left with 2, 4, 6, and 7. It's important that you cover up that middle part because it is a part of circle A. So what is outside of circle A? 2, 4, 6, and up here, 7. Now we can uncover it, and that is our answer for that question right there. It was everything outside of circle A. Let's go ahead and move on to the next question. We have B complement. Let's go ahead and write out the question again. B complement. What is outside of, sorry, Saturday, still got it. Circle B. Let's go ahead and do the same thing we did for circle A. We're going to cover up circle B, just like that, because that middle section is a part of circle B. Now that we've got circle B covered up, we can see that there are 3 numbers that are outside of circle B, 1, 2, and 7. So B complement is equal to 1, 2, and 7. That is our answer. Let's double check our work. Boom. Let's move on to the next question. We're going to go ahead and cover that. This is asking A union B complement. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and write that out. I'm sorry, A intersection B complement. My apologies. So, remember in math, we do everything left to right, according to the PEMDAS rule. So, we know that, what is A intersection B? What numbers are they sharing? Complement. Let's go ahead. Hang on one second.